Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
See if we can get rid of this wind. It's going to be a process here over the next few days. We are still gusting. Right now, it's not bad. The sustained winds are northeast around 12 miles an hour. But when the showers come in, sometimes we get a little gust here, 20, 25. And I think for tomorrow, we'll likely see that again. And so the issue is going to be on the water. If you are inland, you're doing just fine. Or if you're not going to be jumping in the water on the beach, because that's going to be another issue with 3 to 5 foot surf still going. There are the showers continuing to come in. Key Biscayne has been hit a couple of times now with these showers that have trained over the same area, but they're just not producing any significant rainfall. And part of the reason is we have a lot of dry air upstairs, and that has been keeping us, for the most part, on the dry side and not allowing these showers to really get out of hand as far as anything significant with rainfall. There is the high still anchored there, but there is a front and a trough that'll come in, and this pattern will finally change. It won't happen, though, until late into the weekend, late Sunday, and then heading into the early part of next weekend. All of that's tied to that 30% chance of the Caribbean. We'll talk about that in a second. Once the front approaches here, we are going to see winds relaxing a bit, but then behind the front, we're going to get windy again with scattered thunderstorms. I think the best chances for rain this weekend, dry tomorrow, would be increasing through the day on Sunday. Nothing to cancel your plans about, but as we head into 5, 6, 7 o'clock on Sunday evening, that's when I'm expecting more showers, and these will be have the potential to produce a little bit more rainfall. All right, there's the front for midweek. We turn windy behind it. It's not going to cool us off, but it will dry us out as we head into Tuesday and then into, I guess, November, Wednesday. All right, 20 to 30 mile an hour wind gusts will continue for us tomorrow. Now look at Sunday here. As that moisture approaches, some of the showers can be a little heftier here, so they'll be able to produce some more significant rainfall here, unlike what we've been seeing the last couple of days. So let's talk about that 30%. By the way, Tammy resurfaced here across the northern Atlantic. That's moving now away from Bermuda, but we'll focus in on this 30% chance, obviously close to home here, but this is going to be a very messy, unorganized system, and if anything develops, it's going to be a very slow process, and it's really not going to be we're not going to be talking about wind, but heavy rain certainly for places like Jamaica into portions of central and eastern Cuba. But then a front comes in, and upper level winds are going to steer this away from us, so I don't think we're going to have to deal with anything that develops if it were to develop, say, into a tropical depression. If that changes, obviously you'll be the first to know. Rip currents highs still continuing tomorrow. Get your chairs on the beach there, but if you're going to the water, be very careful if you're not a good swimmer, because we have rip currents and we have big waves that are crashing as well. Small craft advisory continues for everybody tomorrow along the coast. That coastal flood threat is a result of the king tide, so will also be an issue for us here as temperatures climb back into the mid-80s. We are going to be looking at temps by the end of the month. Halloween itself approaching 87 before we get a little bit cooler, but then windy again by late next week. Have a great weekend.